we cut the hole in the roof correctly. Okay, trailer is level. Now, about a month ago, I did not have the stove, and so I had a little template that Sauna Times designed that fit this exact stove, and using that template, we attempted to cut the hole in the ceiling where the chimney is going to go. So right now I'm going to see how well we did. Well, it looks pretty good. Of course, we won't totally know until the chimney is installed, but that looks like we're within 1/8 of an inch of where we need to be, which is a good day. Check it out, our chimney's here. So this is some 48-inch in diameter double-walled chimney pipe. And then we have a stovetop adapter. I don't know what that means. We've got some metal flashing, some of Sergei's dirty clothes, don't look at those. And then we have a lid, and whatever that thing is. Check out my chimney. This is a double wall chimney. And double wall means exactly what it sounds like. There's 2 walls in this. And the reason I went with double wall is because it's gonna require less area around the chimney, less clearance. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, a double wall chimney requires 6 inches of clearance. So there can't be anything combustible within 6 inches of this thing. And if I were to go single wall, that clearance would be extended to like 16 or 25 inches, something crazy. And because I'm in a sauna trailer, I don't have 16. So I went with the more expensive, better insulated, more rigid pipe. And I reckon that this is probably a good thing to do if you're building a portable sauna, or if you plan to. It's worth the extra money. These things are not cheap. I believe this thing alone was like 180 bucks. But again, it's gonna enable everything to be safe. Look, there's not that much clearance right here. So you want a chimney pipe that's gonna keep you safe. It's not gonna catch anything on fire. And thus, it's kind of one of those expenses that you just have to eat. Another thing that I wanna show you real quick is this. This is a chimney plug. And it fits in there like a glove. Why on earth would you need this? Well, for a portable sauna specifically, when you're driving down the road, you could get weird wind currents that go down your chimney pipe, go into your stove, and blow ash and soot all over your trailer. And that's a big no-no. We don't want that to happen. So when the trailer is in motion, I'm gonna put this $10 plug in the double walled chimney just like that. And hopefully there'll be no mess to clean up. That looks like a pipe to me. Look at that. Hells yeah. Woo! We got a pipe.